TikTok's creation tools go far beyond what most other recording apps offer. Not only can you add augmented reality effects, but seamless transitions help you transform before your audience's eyes. Using these transitions might seem tough, but luckily, it's surprisingly easy to edit your short clips like a pro. Here's how to use transitions on TikTok. To start, open up TikTok, tap on the Create icon, and start recording your video. You can record in segments by tapping and holding the record button to start, then lifting your finger when you want to stop recording. Alternately, you can tap once to start, then tap on the same button again to stop. If you end up wanting to redo a segment, tap on the enclosed X icon next to the record button, then choose discard. This will delete the previous segment you've recorded and allow you to re-record from there. Now that you've recorded your entire video, tap on the check icon to begin editing. To apply a transition, tap on the icon labeled Effects in the bottom left corner, then select Transitions. From here, just pause your video and drag the white bar along your timeline to where you want to add your transition. Just tap on a transition effect to apply it to your video. You can extend a transition by tapping on it multiple times, or even overlay and combine transitions together. Feel free to experiment with these transitions to make something that looks like what you want. If you want to undo your most recent transition, just tap on the undo icon to the right. Using this, you can completely reset your video and remove all transitions if you want. Once you're satisfied with your transitions, just tap on Save in the top right corner and continue editing the rest of your video. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.